Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain Karnataka Common Entrance Test 2021 Biology question paper with key and explanation. Question number 1. A bacterial flagellum is composed of option A filament, hook and basal body, option B vesicles, tubules and lamellae, option C villi, fimbriae and filament, option D hook, tubules and fimbriae. In this, the correct answer is option A. The bacterial flagellum is composed with three parts. One is called basal body, hook and filament. Question number 2. Match the compounds of column 1 with their functions in column 2. Column 1, number 1, trypsin, 2, GLUT4, 3, collagen, 4, antibody. In column 2, P, fight infectious agent, Q is an intercellular ground substance, or work as an enzyme, S enables glucose transport into cell. In this, the correct matching is option D. So trypsin, it works as an enzyme. GLUT4, it enables glucose transportation into cell. Collagen is an intercellular ground substance. Antibody, it is a fight infectious agent. Question number 3. The correct sequence of events in prophase 1 is option A synapsis followed by crossing over, chiasmata, terminalization. Option B crossing over, synapsis, chiasmata, terminalization. Option C chiasmata, synapsis, crossing over, terminalization. And option D chiasmata, crossing over, synapsis and terminalization. In this, the correct answer is first option. During prophase 1, the synapsis process takes place in zygote and crossing over take place in paketin and chiasmata formation take place in paketin and termination take place in diakinesis. It is the correct sequence in prophase 1. Question number 4. The enzyme that is not found in C3 plant is option A ATP synthase, option B RUBP carboxylase, option C NADP reductase, option D PAP carboxylase. In this, the correct answer is option D. In case of C3 plants, all enzymes are present except PAP carboxylase because PAP carboxylase is an enzyme useful for C4 cycle present in C4 plants. Question number 5. Match the column 1 with column 2. In column 1, number 1 mitochondrial matrix, 2 cytoplasm, 3 F0 and F1, 4 inner mitochondrial membrane. In column 2, P Krebs cycle, Q electron transport chain, R glycolysis, S ATP synthesis. In this, the correct answer is first option A. So mitochondrial matrix, it is the site for Krebs cycle, and cytoplasm, it is the site for glycolysis. F0 F1 particles are participated in ATP synthesis, and inner mitochondrial membrane, it associated with electron transport chain. Question number 6. Identify the incorrect statements. First option, kinetin is a derivative of adenine which is a pyrimidine. 2. The technique of decapitation is widely used in tea plantation. 3. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. 4. Use of GA3 hastens the malting process in brewing industry. 5. ABA is a growth promoter. In this, the incorrect statements are both 1 and 5. Option D is correct because kinetin is a derivative of adenine but is not a pyrimidine. And ABA, it is not a growth promoter, it is a growth inhibitor. Question number 7. Calculate the cardiac output of an individual having 70 heartbeat per minute with a stroke volume of 55 ml. Option A 3750 ml. Option B 125 ml. Option C 3850 ml. None of the above. The correct answer is option C 3850 ml. Question number 8. In a standard ECG, one of the following function of its components is not correctly interpreted. Option A. P is the contraction of only left atria. B. QRS complex represent ventricular contraction. C. T is the end of systole. Option D. P is the contraction of both atria. The correct answer is option A. So P is the contraction of left auricle only. It is not correctly interpreted. Question number 9. Match the hormone of column 1 with its function in column 2. Column 1. Catecholaminia. 2. MSH. 3. Thymosin. 4. Melatonin. In column 2. P. Diurnal rhythm. Q. Immune response or pigmentation. S. Stress hormone. In this, the correct answer is option A. So catecholamine is stress hormone and MSH it related to pigmentation. Thymosin is related to immunoresponse and melatonin is diurnal rhythm. Question number 4. How many microsporangia are located at the corners of a typical bilobed anther of angiosperms? So option A 2, option B 4, option C 8, option D 1. In this, option B is the correct one because a typical bilobed anther consists of 4 microsporangium. These are present at 4 corners. Question number 11. Assertion. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, the number of male gametes produced is several thousand times the number of female gametes produced. Reason. Large number of male gametes fail to reach the female gametes during transport. In this, the first option is assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. Option B, both assertion and reason are correct. Option C, both assertion and reason are incorrect. Option D, assertion is incorrect but reason is correct. So the correct answer is option B. So both statements are correct because in bryophyte and pteridophytes, the number of male gametes are always more compared to female gamete because due to external fertilization, large number of male gametes, they fail to reach the female gamete. That's why both statements are correct. Question number 12. In the given diagram, identify the parts labeled as A, B, C and D. So option A coleoptile, B scutellum, C pericarp, D coleorhiza. Option B, A coleoptile, B scutellum, C coleorhiza, D pericarp. Option C, A pericarp, B coleorhiza, C scutellum, D coleoptile. Option D, A coleorhiza, B coleoptile, C scutellum and D pericarp. So according to this diagram and its labeling, option A is the correct one because the A it represents coleoptile and B it represents scutellum of embryo, C pericarp and D is coleorhiza present around radicle. Question number 13. Consider the following statements and choose the correct answer from the given option. Statement 1. innermost layer of microsporangium is tapetum. Statement 2. Cells of tapetum possess dense cytoplasm and more than one nuclei and a nourishes developing pollen grain. So option A, both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Option B, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option C, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statement 2 is correct and 1 is incorrect. In this, the correct answer is option B. So both statements are correct because the tapetum is the innermost layer in anther wall, and this tapetum cell consists of dense cytoplasm with more than one nuclei, and it helps to nourishes developing pollen grains. Question number 14. Identify the correct statement. Option A. Only one megaspore present towards chalazal end, it remains functional. Option B. Three megaspores present towards chalazal end degenerates gradually. Option C. Each microspore mother cell directly develops into megaspore. Option D. Each female gametophyte is 7-celled and 7-nucleated structure. Out of 4 statements, option A is the correct statement because during development of embryo sac, out of 4 megaspore, only 1 megaspore it present towards chalazal end is functional, and remaining 3 megaspores present towards microphyll are non-functional and degenerates. Question number 15. Which of the following aquatic plant does not show pollination by water? Option A, Vallisneria. Option B, Hydrilla. Option C, water hyacinth. Option D, Zostera. In this, the correct answer is option C, water hyacinth. Water hyacinth and water lily both are aquatic plant, grow on the surface of water, but it get pollinated by wind and insect. Question number 16. Which cell of the female gametophyte is involved in the formation of primary endosperm nucleus after fertilization? Option A, antipodals. Option B, synergids. Option C, egg cell. Option D, central cell. The correct answer is option D. So during fertilization, the triple fusion it results in the formation of primary endosperm nucleus. It is present in central cell. Then it becomes into endosperm further. Question number 17. In the given diagram of human sperm, identify the function of the labeled parts like A, B and C. So it is the diagram of human sperm cell. In this, the correct answer is option B. So part A, it is the acrosome. It helps in penetration of sperm into ovum, and B, it is the neck. It provides energy for the movement of sperm. C is the tail, helps in the movement of sperm cell. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Question number 18. Select the correct pathway of flow of milk during breastfeeding. So option A, mammary tubules, mammary duct, mammary ampulla, lactiferous duct, alveoli. Option B, mammary tubules, mammary duct, lactiferous duct, mammary ampulla, alveoli. Option C, alveoli, mammary tubules, mammary ampulla, mammary ducts and lactiferous duct. Option D, alveoli, mammary tubules, mammary duct, mammary ampulla and lactiferous duct. In this, the correct answer is option D. So during passage of milk during breastfeeding, the milk it passes in a pathway from alveoli to mammary tubules to mammary duct, mammary ducts to mammary ampulla, and finally lactiferous duct. Question number 19. Under the influence of oxytocin, which layer of the uterus exhibit strong contraction during parturition? Option A, endometrium. Option B, myometrium. Option C, perimetrium. Option D, both A and C. In this, the correct answer is Option B, myometrium. Question number 20. Select the incorrect statement about contraceptives. Option A. They are regular requirements for the maintenance of reproductive health. Option B. They have a significant role in checking uncontrolled growth of population. They are practiced against a natural reproductive events like contraception and or pregnancy. Option D. The possible ill effects like nausea, abdominal pain, irregular menstrual bleeding, or even breast cancer should not be totally ignored. In this, the incorrect statement is first option A. There are regular requirements for the maintenance of reproductive health. It is the incorrect statement out of 4. Question number 21. The method of directly injecting a sperm into ovum is called as option A, GIFT, option B, ZIFT, option C, ICSI, option D, IVF-ET. In this, the correct answer is option C. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection is a method. In this, the sperm it directly injected into ovum. Question number 22. Match the column 1 with column 2 and find the correct answer. Column 1 aneuploidy, 2 monoploidy, 3 polyploidy, 4 diploidy. Column 2 P increase in whole set of chromosomes, Q loss or gain of chromosome, or two sets of chromosome, yes a single set of chromosome. In this, the correct option is C. 1. Aneuploidy means loss or gain of chromosome. Monoploidy means a single set of chromosomes. Polyploidy means increase in whole set of chromosomes. And diploidy means two sets of chromosomes. Question number 23. The genotype of husband and wife are capital IA, capital IB and capital IA, capital IO. Among the blood types of their children, how many different types of genotypes and phenotypes are possible? So first option, 3 genotypes, 3 phenotypes. Option B, 4 genotypes, 3 phenotypes. Option C, 4 phenotypes and 3 genotypes. Option 4, 4 phenotypes and 4 genotypes. In this, the correct answer is option B. So by conducting a cross in between capital IA, capital IB versus capital IA, capital IO, so totally 4 different type of genotypes are formed like capital IA, capital IA, capital IA, capital IO, capital IB, capital IA, capital IB and capital IB, capital IO. Totally 4 type of phenotypes are formed and the possible phenotypes are 3 phenotypes with A blood group and with AB blood group and B blood group. Question number 24. What is the possible blood group of a children who parents are heterozygous for A and B blood groups? First option A and B only. Option B, A, B, AB and O blood groups. Option C, AB only. Option D, A, B and AB only. In case of both parents with heterozygous for A and B blood group, the children may get either A, B, AB or O blood groups. Correct answer is option B. Question number 25. Match the column 1 with column 2. Column 1 autosomal trisomy, 2 allosomal trisomy, 3 allosomal monosomy, 4 cystic fibrosis. Column 2 P Turner syndrome, Q Mendelian disorder or Klinefelter syndrome, yes Down syndrome. In this, the correct answer is D. Autosomal trisomy is example for Down's syndrome. Allosomal trisomy example Klinefelter syndrome. Allosomal monosomy example Turner syndrome and cystic fibrosis is Mendelian disorder. Question number 26. Which among the following characters selected by Mendel in pea plant is a recessive character? Option A, inflated pod. B, green pod color. C, white flowers. And D, axillary flower. In this, the correct answer is option C. So related to flower color, violet is the dominant, white flower color is recessive. Question number 27. Match the scientist of column 1 with their contribution in column 2. Column 1, 1 Griffith, 2 Jacob and Monod, 3 Mendelssohn and Stahl, 4 Hershey and Chase. Column 2, P. Lac operon, Q. DNA is the genetic material or transforming principle. Yes, DNA replicates semi-conservatively. In this, the correct answer is option C. So Griffith, he discovered transforming principle. Jacob and Monod proposed Lac operon. Mendelssohn and Stahl, they proved semi-conservative DNA replication. And Hershey and Chase, they proved DNA is the genetic material. Question number 28. In which region of tRNA molecule is the amino acid binding site located? Option A, 5' end. B, anticodon loop. Option C, 3' end. D, none of the above. In the structure of tRNA, 3' end, it receives the amino acid in amino acid acceptor arm. Option C is correct. Question number 29. Escherichia coli, fully labeled with N15, is allowed to grow in N14 medium. The two strands of DNA molecule of the first generation of bacteria have. Option A, same density and resemble with their parental DNA. Option B, same density but not resembled with their parent. So option C, different density but not resemble with their parent DNA. And option D, different density but resemble with their parental DNA. In this, the correct answer is, it shows different density but not resemble with their parental DNA. Question number 30. Experiments involve use of radioactive thymidine to detect distribution of newly synthesized DNA in the chromosome was performed on which plant? Option A, Vicia faba. Option B, Pisum sativum. Option C, Cocos nucifera. Option D, Antirrhinum. The correct answer is option A. The semi-conservative DNA replication of eukaryotes is identified by using radioactive thymidine in Vicia faba, is also called faba bean. Question number 31. If the sequence of nucleotides in a template strand of DNA is from 3' to 5' is ATG, CTT, CC, GAAT. So write the sequence of its corresponding region of transcribed mRNA. So first option, it is from 5' to 3', TAC, GAA, GGC, CTT. Option B, 5' to 3', UAC, GAA, GGC, UUA. Option C, 3' to 5', UAC, GAA, GGC, UUA. Option D, 3' to 5', TAC, GAA, GGC, CTT. The correct answer is second option B. So the DNA template strand, it present from 3' to 5'. So the transcribed mRNA present from 5' to 3'. Instead of thymine, uracil will be present. Question number 32. Pneumonia is caused by option A, Streptococcus pneumoniae. Option B, Haemophilus influenzae. Option C, both A and B. D, none of the above. In this, the correct answer is option C. Both Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae, they causes pneumonia. Question number 33. The development of quick immune response in a person infected with deadly microbe by administering performed antibodies is option A, active immunity. Option B, cell-mediated immunity. Option C, innate immunity. Option D, passive immunization. So quick immune response is possible with passive immunization. Option D is correct. Question number 34. Which is the most favored property of malignant tumor? Option A, neoplasticity. Option B, metastasis. Option C, rapid invasive growth. Option D, loss of contact inhibition. The correct answer is metastasis. Question number 35. Identify the technique useful in detecting the cancers of internal organ. Option A, CT. Option B, MRI. Option C, radiography. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. CT, MRI, radiography are useful to detect cancers in internal organs. Question number 36. Which among the following plant is a source of drugs which is native to America? Option A, Papaver somniferum. Option B, Erythroxylum coca. Option C, Cannabis sativa. Option D, Atropha belladonna. The correct answer is Erythroxylum coca is native to America and is the source of drug. Question number 37. The technology of biogas production was developed in India due to efforts of option A, KVIC, option B, IARI, option C, CDRI, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 38. Which among the following product of microbe is not obtained from fungi? First option, penicillin. Option B, statins. Option C, Swiss cheese. Option D, cyclosporin A. The correct answer is option C. So Swiss cheese is produced from Propionibacterium shermani is a bacterial product. Question number 39. Match the following. Column 1, cyclosporin A. 2, streptokinase. 3, statins. 4, penicillin. Column 2, clot buster. B, antibiotic. C, immunosuppressive agent. D, blood cholesterol lowering agent. The correct matching is A. Cyclosporin A is an immunosuppressive agent. Streptokinase, it is used as a clot buster. Statins used to blood cholesterol lowering agent. Penicillin is an antibiotic. Question number 40. Tag polymerase that found in application in PCR obtained from option A, Thermus aquaticus. Option B, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Option C, Bacillus thuringiensis. Option D, Salmonella typhimurium. So Tag DNA polymerase enzyme obtained from thermostable bacteria is called Thermus aquaticus. Option A is correct, and this enzyme can efficiently catalyze the reaction of DNA synthesis even at high temperature. Question number 41. ROP gene, which codes for proteins involved in replication of plasmid PBR322 in E. coli, is located at restriction site of option A, HIND3, option B, EcoR1, option C, PVU2, option D, BAMH1. The correct answer is option C. So opposite to PVU2 restriction site, ROP genes are present. Question number 42. Rapid antigen test and RT-PCR are two diagnostic tests for COVID-19 virus. PCR, a molecular diagnostic tool, it stands for option A, polymerase chain reaction. Option B, polymerase chain reagent. Option C, physiological chain reaction. Option D, physiological chain reagent. The correct answer is option A. PCR stands polymerase chain reaction. Question number 43. Which of the following diagnostic tools also the detect of very low concentration of bacterium or virus by amplifying their nucleic acid? The first option is ELISA. Option B, PCR. Option C, autoradiography. Option D, or DNA technology. So correct answer is option B, PCR. So PCR is a technique helps to amplify the DNA fragments into billions of copies. Question number 44. Silencing of a gene could be achieved through the use of option A, short interfering RNA RNAi, B, antisense RNA, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 45. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is option A, an antacid, B, an enzyme, C, used to treat emphysema, D, used to treat arthritis. The correct answer is option C. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is a biological protein used to treat emphysema. Question number 46. Identify the correct statements from the following. First statement, Cuscuta is a chlorophyllous endoparasite. Statement 2, the human liver fluke needs only one host to complete its life cycle. Statement 3, the life cycle of endoparasite is more complex due to their extreme specialization. Statement 4, during the course of evolution, the host bird's eggs have evolved to resemble the eggs of their parasitic bird. Out of all these four statements, only third statement is the correct statement. The life cycle of endoparasite is more complex due to their extreme specialization. Question number 47. Relate column 1 with column 2 with regarding to predator behavior. Column 1, Calotropis. 2, Pfister. 3, monarch butterfly. 4, frog. Column 2, invertebrates. P, Q, distasteful. R, cryptical colored. S, cardioglycosides. In this, the correct matching is B. Calotropis is a cardioglycoside. 5 sister, it is invertebrate. 3, monarch butterfly, it is distasteful. 4, frog is critical colored. Question number 48. Small mammals and birds are rarely found in polar region. The reason is that option A, they have a large surface area relative to their volume. Option B, they tend to gain heat very fast. C, they expand less energy to generate body heat. D, none of the above. The correct answer is first option A. They have a larger surface area relative to their volume. Question number 49. Identify the incorrect statement. Option A, camp plants close their stomata during daytime. Option B, seals have a thicker layer of fat to reduce body heat. C, lizards bask in the sun during winter. Option D, tribes living in high altitude have same RBC count as people live in the plains. The incorrect statement is tribes living in high altitude have the same RBC count as people live in plains. Question number 50. Population size keeps change depending on different factors such as A, food availability, B, predation pressure, C, adverse weather, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 51. Identify the incorrect statement. Statement 1. Speciation is generally a function of time. 2. Tropical environment is less seasonal relative to more constant and predictable. Statement 3. Solar energy contributes to high productivity. Statement 4. Temperate regions have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years. In this, the incorrect statement is only fourth statement. Question number 52. The correct equation dissipating species area relationship is option A, log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. Option B, log C is equal to log S plus Z log A. Option C, log A is equal to log C plus Z log S. Option D, log Z is equal to log C plus S log A. In this, the correct answer is first option A, log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. Question number 53, column 1, column 2. Column 1, narrowly utilitarian argument. 2, broadly utilitarian argument. And C, ethical argument. Column 2, P, conserving biodiversity for major ecosystem service. Q, every species has an intrinsic value and moral duty to pass over biological legacy in good order to future generation. Or recycling benefits like food, medicine and industrial products. In this, the correct matching is option C, 1R, 2P and 3Q. Question number 54. Identify the correct statements about executive conservation. Advanced executive conservation includes 1. Cryopreservation of gametes, 2. Plant tissue culture method, 3. Seed bank and 4. In vitro fertilization. In this, the correct answer is C. So all these methods are advanced executive conservation methods. Question number 55. The concept of Contagium vivum fluidum, it was given by option A, D.J. Ivanovsky, option B, W.M. Stanley, option C, M.W. Bangernick, option D, R.H. Whitaker. In this, the correct answer is option C. Question number 56. Identify the odd one out. A, Eustelago, B, Alternaria, C, Colatotrichum, D, Trichoderma. In this, the odd one is Trichoderma. Question number 57. The plants having holdfast, stiffy and frond is character of A, Laminaria, B, Volvax, C, Gelidium, D, Porphyra. In this, the Laminaria is a brown algae belongs to Phaeophyceae and consists of holdfast, stiffy and frond. Question number 58. Identify the correct statements regarding to class Aves. First statement, forelimbs are modified into wings and hind limbs are modified into walking and swimming. 2. Heart is completely four-chambered. 3. They are homeothermic. 4. They are oviparous and develops directly. In this, the correct answer is option D. All these 4 statements are correct for class Aves. Question number 59. Epigenous flower is one in which option A, ovary is superior and other floral parts are inferior. Option B, ovary is inferior and other floral parts are superior. Option C, all the floral parts are at the same level. D, none of the above. In this, the correct answer is option B. In case of epigenous flower, ovary is inferior but all other floral parts are superior, developed from the tip of the ovary. Question number 60. The following type of cell junction is not found in animal tissues. A, adhering junction, B, tight junction, C, gap junction, D, loose junction. In this, the correct answer is option D, loose junction. These are the questions asked in Karnataka Common Entrance Test 2021 Biology question paper with correct key and explanation. Thanks for watching.